Hello.
Hey everybody, so we know a lot of you enjoy our cooking videos, so that's what we're doing today. Today we are doing a beef ragu tortellini with rocket and pear salad.
Yes.
That just sounds pretty good. We're doing HelloFresh today. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, I feel like this is an advertisement, but it's not. We just got a good deal on it, so we thought we'd try it out. They just send you meals and the ingredients to make them, and then you just make it yourself. So
yeah,
we wanted to see whether these ones are any good. We actually have used it before. It's pretty good. Let's just get started. We got one.
Yeah.
And it supposedly is a really quick one. It's supposed to be boxed to plate in 15 minutes. So this should only take us 15 minutes. It says heat olive oil in frying pan over high heat. Chuck us the olive oil, mate.
There's your olive oil.
How much olive oil? It doesn't even say how much olive oil.
Not too much.
Sweet. Is that enough? I reckon
Yeah.
that's enough.
What do we need in this first step? Beef?
I need the beef. I need to brown the beef. It's gonna get beefy in here.
Beef.
So guys, it's really convenient. Say you need the garlic paste, it's already done for you, and it's like in a little thing like that. Or you get the right amount of tomato paste, you get the right Italian herbs. It's all just packaged neatly like that, which I like.
What is a tomato sugo? Is that sauce?
It's like a tomato sauce, yeah.
You still need to wash the stuff. So I need to wash this silver beet.
What is silver beet? Have you ever had silver beet before?
Nah, it kind of looks like bok choy.
Whoa, 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 this thing's getting so hot.
Oh shoot. Oh my God, it's so smoky.
I don't like cooking with olive oil because it has a low smoking point. I feel like all recipe these days, the go-to is olive oil because everyone's like, oh, olive oil healthy.
Are you alright? I saw it splash.
Nah, I'm good. Oh! God damn.
I'm nervous. I'm gonna go wash the silver beet.
Oh my goodness, it's just splat. Oh man, we are back. It's just splattering on me.
Your face.
Maybe because it's, I don't know, maybe higher quality. Oh yeah, it says this is premium quality beef. But I was gonna say it's a lot firmer than the stuff you get at the supermarkets because it's probably cheap as the ones you get at the supermarket.
Be butcher quality.
This is really premium. It feels really meaty. You know what I mean, guys? The ones you buy at the supermarket, they just kind of like fall apart and they're really watery even.
Yeah, they let out so much water.
Whereas this is meaty. This is what it should be like. What are you doing over there?
I'm washing the silver beet.
Okay.
And then it comes with like a pear salad, so I'll wash the pear now too. Oh wait, then I gotta wash the rocket too.
Can you take everything out so we can use that as a bin bag? That's the other good thing that I like about this is that it comes in bags like these, so you can just put all your rubbish in there. Would I buy this if it was full price? I'm not sure. Maybe if I was pretty lazy. I mean, it's a little bit expensive if you're just paying full price. We did one of those deals where you get it delivered for like $10 to your house or something, so obviously that's worth it.
Yeah.
If I was a working professional, I would probably do it. I'd be happy to do it, just for the convenience.
Yeah, so this one was $10 for 3 meals. You only pay for delivery. And like this tortellini that they use, this tortellini alone on sale's $5.
Yeah, you do get premium stuff. All right, stir in Italian herbs, garlic paste, and tomato paste. Garlic paste? Oh, bit of garlic. Don't mind if I do. Pop, 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 pop.
Hey, what's the parsley for?
I think for the what's it called? The salad. You can really smell that garlic now. Yum. Delicious. Let's put in some tomato paste. Hey, this is a really easy recipe. Where
it's supposed to be 15 minutes.
Oh, that garlic smells good.
Yum.
I swear when I get garlic paste, maybe it's because I buy the cheapo stuff that no fragrance comes off of it. Maybe I need to start paying a little bit more.
I've never really looked for any other brand. I've only seen the home brand.
Tomato paste. Putting all this in the rubbish again. Let's do some Italian herbs. You'll probably see us do a little bit more of these HelloFresh boxes just because we got 2 other meals where they're actually a bit more substantial to this. Because this one's supposed to be a quick one. It's designed to be quick and easy, 15 minutes. The other ones are proper where it's like, I think it'll probably take us a good hour maybe, 40 minutes, you know. So we'll be making those next. The other ones that we got was like some Italian meatball with pesto or something like that, and then like mustard chicken, something. I'm not sure, but
With roast veggies or something.
yeah.
I'm gonna chop this up.
All right, I got to boil a kettle of water. Did I say that right?
No.
What did I say?
I don't even think you pronounced kettle correctly.
I'm gonna go boil a kettle of water.
I just gotta boil some water in the kettle.
I'm gonna boil a kettle of water. That's literally what the instruction says. I'm literally just reading it.
Wait, where? Boil a kettle of water, it does. Wait, but you didn't add the silver beet. Is it because I'm cutting it still?
Silver beet? Is it silver beet for the salad, isn't it?
No,
It's not?
no.
Oh. Well, step on it, man. That's your job.
Yeah, I had one job.
Oh no, I was supposed to put that in.
All right, this is ready to go in.
Chuck her in.
Is it the time? All right.
Yeah, chuck her in, man. Come on, get in the camera too. You know, it's just me cooking. People don't want to see me.
Yeah, but we wanted our stuff washed.
That's true. I'm the funny one and you're the eye candy. You know what I mean? So you always have to be in frame.
I suppose. Hang on.
It's not
Oh, no.
important if I'm out of frame.
But I'm pretty sure they could see my back while I was at the sink.
See, that's why you're not the funny one. That wasn't funny, joke.
It's true.
You got something in your hair.
What?
I don't know. All right, we gotta get this to wilt, this silver beet. I don't even know what silver beet is. I've literally never had it before.
It looks like bok choy, but like
Really? I don't think it looks like bok choy.
maybe mixed between that and kale, or I don't know.
It's starting to wilt down.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm getting hungry.
This service would be good for people that actually like to cook. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be like, well, it is somewhat easy and straightforward, but it takes a bit of time and it's good for people who want to get into cooking. I'll say that.
Yeah. The instructions are really detailed as well.
I say it's pretty good. I like the service. If I was a working professional, I would definitely do it. In you go, Sugo.
Wow.
You know what the other good thing is? Sometimes the meals taste really good. You have that recipe in your head now and you can just make it.
You just keep the recipe card.
Yeah, you keep this and then you just go to the supermarket, buy the ingredients.
Yeah.
Bam, you got a nice recipe. So we've actually found some good recipes off the HelloFresh.
We're gonna start the salad. It says remove from heat after you add the tomato sugo.
All right, taking off the heat. I'm gonna put this somewhere safe. Do you want to do the pear or do you want me to do the pear?
I can do it if you want. I usually am the one that's on salad duty.
You are? Okay, you do it then. Slice the pear.
Is there a special way to slice a pear?
No, just slice it, man.
Okay. I feel like I should at least chop the top and bottom off, right? I never done this before. Doesn't describe how to slice the pear, so.
There we go.
Okay. And then,
Look at you go. Professional.
I hope this is how you do it. It's a lot of pear. Oh, that one was thick as. Yay, I did it!
You did a good job.
Are you jealous that I'm chopping the pear and you're not?
I just don't like sitting around, so chop the top off too.
Here, do you want to do the rest of the pear?
I feel antsy when I'm not doing anything.
Do the rest of the pear. Oh no, it's got this yucky bit in it. Okay, we're gonna have to improve our pear cutting skills for next time.
I think you are.
Wait, there's still that bottom bit on it. I don't know. You're the cook, I'm just here to look good. Wow, look at you go. You do it like so professionally, you make it look so professional.
What do you mean? I'm just literally cutting.
Is your power out? Does the stove not turn on if the power?
Oh my god, the power's out. What is? Oh wait.
Nah, the stove's not turning on.
Yeah, I don't know why our power keeps going out.
And I was today years old when I found out that you can't light a stove without power. It's on, it's on. She works, oh yeah.
I'm back. So we actually wanted to cook outside today, but it was it's too hot and windy, man. In a bowl, combined rocket and dressing. The rocket and combined rocket and dressing.
Rocket.
Put it in here, mate.
And the dressing.
What dressing is this? It's balsamic olive oil vinaigrette.
So this is ricotta and spinach tortellini.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
What's the ragu part?
The beef.
Oh.
Let's toss this salad, shall we?
Shall I put the tortellini in?
Yeah.
It's only 2 minutes, is it?
3 minutes.
Or 3 minutes.
Very quick. There we go. I might actually just add all the pear. Looks like there's enough dressing to coat everything. Bam, shablam, van dam, goddamn.
I'm gonna need to borrow the scissors. Oh, do you need to chop up parsley?
Garnish with torn parsley. No, I don't.
Oh, you just
I
need
can
to
just tear it with my hands like a caveman.
Well, that's washed as well.
Just tossing some salad, guys. That salad is tossed, I believe. Parsley here, and I'll just garnish it. I'm pretty sure you don't want to eat the stalks of parsley. You just want the...
I don't think so.
Yeah, you just want the nice bits, right? Oh wait, you don't even like parsley. I shouldn't have
I'll
garnished
try it. I don't know. We'll see. Some for the pasta.
Salad done. Can I have a little cheat and try some?
Yes.
You want to try some too? Try a bit of pear.
I like.
You like that?
Yeah, I like rocket and pear salad. Normally I put some parmesan cheese too.
It's good though. It's good. It's nice. That's done there. Chuck her in. We're done. That was very quick.
Oh, it said to add a bit of pasta water too. Do we want that?
Yeah, we'll do it in a sec. Just add this or this first. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Your belly buttons. That's what tortellini is.
What?
Didn't he create it after his wife's belly button?
What? That's disgusting.
What? No, that's what I'm pretty sure that's how tortellini came to be.
Doesn't make it any less disgusting.
Really?
Why would I want to eat, like, when I'm eating, why would I ever want to picture my wife's belly button? Like, for what reason?
Maybe he just thought it was so beautiful.
A belly button out of all things.
I don't know, maybe he's like seen a lot of ugly belly buttons and I don't know.
That is true. Sometimes you see some quite ugly belly buttons.
Don't say that. People can't help their belly button.
Well, that's a good thing. If you got an ugly belly button, it's not like you always got to show it off. You can't wear crop tops though.
That's true.
That'd be sad.
It'd be sad if you can't wear a crop top
Yeah.
because of your belly button.
Yeah. Imagine you just want to wear a crop top, but you can't.
Do you know how pregnant women's belly buttons get?
How?
Like, are you still gonna love me?
What are they? What happens to the belly button?
They just like pop out and kind of explode.
They pop out and explode?
Yeah, like they just like all of a sudden go pop and they're just like out.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Are you still gonna love me?
I hope so. Well, I don't know.
You hope so.
Depends how. I don't know. Thank you for the assistance.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
It really does.
It's good. It actually looks like a lot.
Yeah.
That's the thing with HelloFresh. I find these serves are pretty big.
Yeah, I find so you can get the HelloFresh sent to you in sizes, so like for 2 people or 4 people. And I do find if you get for 4 people, it's definitely always enough food for like 6 people.
Yeah.
And for 2 people, there's always enough food for about 3 people.
Yeah.
Unless you're a big boy or big gal and you like to eat a lot.
I'm gonna put some salad on my plate too.
Oh yes, let's do that. So let's try this. Get out of the way, boy. Get.
Get out of here.
Time for my favorite part. Let's review. Looks pretty dang good. Cheers me.
Cheers.
What a difference premium beef mince makes, right?
Every time I have it, did you cheers me again?
I don't know why.
That was cute. Every time I have like mince from the butcher rather than the supermarket. I'm always like, damn, I need to go to the butcher from now on because it's so good. But I never do.
What a difference, man. It's textural. It's just meatier. I don't know what they're doing in the supermarkets, but yeah, it's not as good. And you cook it and all that juice always comes out. This one, when you cooked it, no juice came out.
Oh, good as.
Yeah, nice and easy. Pretty tasty. That Rana brand of tortellini tastes really good.
That's my favorite.
It's always so expensive though.
Yeah, that's why this meal is like kind of worth it because it's just that tortellini alone, man.
Yeah. Back when I had to travel for work a lot, so work gives you an allowance to pay for your food. So I'd always go to the supermarket and buy this pasta, and I'd buy like 2 packs. Why not? It's free. Where are the other recipes? Let's see what we're gonna make next time. So here's the options for next time. We got sticky mustard beef. No, sticky mustard beef. I should read this one. Sticky mustard and rosemary chicken. Looks not bad. And then beef and basil pesto meatballs in tomato sauce with some couscous.
You got sauce here.
Hopefully we can cook outside next time. We're really looking forward to it. Yesterday we were gonna, and then our gas burner ran out of gas, which we had to go get it today. And that's why we filmed Taco Bell instead. But I was pretty happy with that Taco Bell. Taco Bell's delicious.
That was so good. Do you like the silver beet?
I do.
Yeah, like you can't even tell it's there. Maybe we should use it more often.
I can tell it's there, and it's nice because it kind of breaks up just like that monotonous kind of creamy pasta flavor. Like it adds a little something.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I think it was chopped very well.
Good joke, good joke. Very nice. If you really love Nakita's jokes, make sure you like, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe because there'll be plenty more of Nakita's good jokes.
I got so many.
You have a lot, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some more pasta.
Have more.
Good, yeah?
I love pear salad.
Yeah, pear salad, this is pretty good. For how easy this was, nice.
That's why I picked the meal.
I love tortellini and ravioli. Maybe we should make it from scratch.
I want to.
Yeah?
What'd you put in it?
Ricotta, salami, prosciutto,
Oh, yum.
some kind of ham.
What about like a prosciutto mascarpone? Oh, yum.
Thanks for watching us. Do HelloFresh, everybody. Rate your meal before we leave.
This meal? What are you rating it?
I give it 4 out of 5. It's just
4 out of 5.
yummy pasta.
4. Yeah.
Ease of cooking, 5 out of 5. It was very easy.
Yes, too easy.
Okay, bye everybody. We'll see you guys next time for the next recipe. Bye 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 bye. I'm gonna go now.
Bye.